Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the chain of 20. My pattern consists of 4 stitches. I will repeat my stitches 4 times. It means for them I need 16 stitches plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look plus 2 stitches. Let's crochet the foundation chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. My foundation chain is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet the first row. It is going to be a row of half double crochet stitches. Make chain of 2 to bring up the yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 4th stitch, make half double crochet, then half double crochet into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. So that's it, my first row is ready. Here how it looks. This is the preparation row. Make chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 3 times. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the 2nd stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands. I count from the top and pull up a loop. I hold 2 loops with my finger. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, like this, and pull up a loop. I hold 2 loops with my finger, insert the hook into the pair, pull up a loop. 1. I hold 2 loops with my finger, then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 2, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. I have got 4 loops on the hook. So that's it, my stitch is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. Continue working on this row. Chain of 2, then yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the 3rd stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double treble crochet stitch is ready. Let's repeat the same. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Like this. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Then pull through 3 loops. Pull through 3 loops. And pull through all loops on the hook. The 2nd stitch is ready. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook 3 times and so on. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Here what I have at this point. So I repeat my stitches 4 times and I add 1 more stitch for a more beautiful look. Once I have done the last stitch, let's complete this row with me. yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. My row is ready. Let's crochet a row of half double crochet stitches. So my pattern consists of 2 rows. First row is the row of single crochet, the second row is my unique stitches. So make chain of 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, make half double crochet, and make the second half double crochet into the next stitch. Make 2 half double crochet into the chain space, 1 and 2. I remind you, my stitch is based on 2 tops. Make 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 2 half double crochet into the chain space, 1, 2. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. In your case it could be longer than mine. Let's complete this row with me. Insert the hook into the last chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch from the top. This is the 5th chain stitch from the bottom. Make half double crochet. My row of half double crochet is ready. My pattern consists of 2 rows. It means one of them is my unique stitches and the second one is half double crochet. Make chain of 5 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn the work, yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. One, yarn over the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops. I have got 4 loops on the hook, pull through. So my first stitch in this row is ready. Then chain of 2, double treble crochet stitch. I skip 2 stitches and work with the 3rd stitch. Make double treble crochet stitch. And keep working in this way till the end of this row. So that's it, my swatch is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. It could be perfect to create decoration for your home, or it could be pattern of big project. My pattern consists of 2 rows and has 4 stitches. This is my own pattern I created recently for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page that's called Crochet and Relax. There are a lot of stitches there. Please crochet with me and learn more with my video tutorials. Let's look at this side. You can use wool yarn and create accessories for autumn or winter time. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.